coming up in 10 minutes. So it's all about the holidays. It's hard to believe they're gonna be here before we know it. And we're delighted because Stephanie Barnard is bringing to us, getting ready for the holiday. It's called Stamps of Life, our Christmas Create a Tree die set. And you are receiving all 24 metal dies, also receiving 46 stickers, sticker little dots that will show you, and then a 6-page idea booklet that you are gonna love for flex payments, brand new on the day today. Stephanie, great to have you here. You're putting me in the mood right now for the holidays.
Great, and you know what? This item is going to knock your socks off because it's going to be one of those things that, yes, it's technically for Christmas, but you know what? You're going to use it year-round because what is it? It's create a tag. You get to design your own little tags, and they have cute little trees. They have this cute little Noel. I've included this little to and from that you can see, even though, look, that O stays in there. But you're also going to use this year-round because you can also use it for for birthdays or any kind of holiday. And look at how cute those are. So there's a little to from. Now, the nice thing about these is you are getting this die. You're also getting the fun, elegant edge die. Now, that's not all, because what you're also going to get is 7 different options to die cut to put it on the top. So here I have a cute one there, or I could add a little zigzag one here. So we get to mix and match. So let me show you a couple samples before we go even further. So here's a cute one, to from. Again, that to from is going to stay in there. So you can use the dies themselves like I did here. So I actually use the stickers, or I could leave it so I can see through it. So you're using the positive and the negative. There's a cute little Noel. It does come with the Christmas trees. And then on the back, the to from. Here's a cute little ho, ho, ho. Now, Valentine's Day, because you remember, it's not just for Christmas. Look, you're getting that cute little topper right there. Here's one for you. So you're getting for you and to from. So you'll be able to use those. Here's a cute one, Noel. Here's a fun one with it all decorated, ready to go. Here's a cute one with our little snowman Pudgy. Now, you're going to also get the candy cane. You're getting this cute little scallop border as well up here. You're getting lots of different options. Here's one on a card, in fact. You don't even need to use it as a tag. You can put it on a card. Now, here's something really fun to notice. This Merry, Ho, 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 and Noel are all in the kit. But look at how different they are. They can be die cut like this. They can be die cut in the little top of the tag. They can be added to another tag. So I could do the Noel in the straight tag or the scallop tag. I get to mix and match. So what I've done is I've die cut a couple just so we can see them. So there's my ho, ho, ho. But again, look, my ho, ho, ho could be cut out, or it could be part of the tag if I want. So I could put another tag behind that so you can see it. So there's lots and lots of options. In fact, if I knew how to do math, I could probably figure out how many options we have. But let me tell you, there's a ton. I actually was sitting here earlier, and I was just literally die cutting. I was die cutting a whole bunch of different pieces. So now I can mix and match. I can make my own tags. So here I have a cute little tag. I can peel off the back because I've used that adhesive, those adhesive papers that we have on hsn.com. I'm going to add that cute little there. Now I have a cute little zigzag on there. Now if I want to, I can add a cute little Christmas tree to that. I can add my to from. I can add a whole bunch of different things. I could add Mary on there if I wanted to, but lots of options. Oh, here's a cute little option, an idea, a cute little gift tag for a little votive candle. I know, isn't it? I mean, the possibilities are endless. And again, you're going to use this year-round. Don't think just Christmas, because we all give those gift bags, you know, those fun gift bags, but we like to reuse them, right? We're not going to buy a $6 gift bag and only use it once. We want to be able to use it over and over again. So you're going to just add a new tag to it, put a new name on it, and now you're going to be recycling and reusing those expensive gift bags over and over again just by changing the tag, changing the name on the gift.
And Stephanie, just so everybody understands, once again, what you're receiving here, this is brand new.
Yes.
It's not like we're talking about 2 different kits. Everything that you were just showing us with the dies and the sticker and everything, all is included in this special holiday. And here you can see it, this is how the dies are in the back. But just to show you, you have all your labels. You can be as creative, it's fun, it's whimsical. There's 24 metal dies altogether, 46 stickers. And these are like dimensional, beautiful stickers.
Yes.
You said using it, you know, during the holidays.
Yes, they're epoxy dots.
Yes, absolutely. That
Yeah.
Ultimate creates this. So 2 minutes, super popular, under $8 to get it at home. And yes, Stephanie, thank you. The idea book.
Yes. Now the idea book's really important too because it's going to give you kind of an idea of how to start your system, how to go. You're like looking at it going, oh, okay, so I just need that, and then we're going to give you lots and lots of inspiration. So you're going to be able to use these. You can create them exactly like this, or you can use it as a sounding board to create what you have. So if you don't have that exact paper, don't worry. You can mix it up and match it, and then you can make your own creation. So it's going to be entirely yours. But the ideas are just literally limitless because you get to mix and match. You get to add the different words, the different tops. Each die has a different option. So we have the top, we could be a longer top, a shorter top, there's a stitch top, there's a dotted top, there's a scallop top, there's a zigzag top, there's a regular top. Then you get 2 different tags. So you could do the elegant edge tag, or you could do the straight edge tag. There's candy canes going both ways. There's a Christmas tree. I'm an end user. I use these dies every single day. I'm a crafter. And so what I did was I designed exactly what I want. And hopefully you guys all like it.
Everybody is loving it.
Yeah, it's so much fun. And I'm all about versatile. So again, here's the cute little Mary, but I could have put it in the tag. So here it is, the stuff in the tag, or it could be a separate piece. And how do you do that? You literally just die cut it by itself if you want it to be like this in the tag, or with the stitched extra around it when you die cut it, and then you get this piece right here. So you get to mix and match. You get to have fun and play with